Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. WordPress is up to date and permalinks use postname. Next, pick a lightweight, SEO-friendly theme and create a child theme if you will edit templates. Install an SEO plugin like Yoast or Rank Math and connect site to Google Search Console. This gives indexing data. Once done, open the plugin setup wizard and apply recommended settings so your homepage title, meta, and sitemap are configured before creating content. You now execute on-page SEO. Target one main keyword and two related phrases per page to avoid dilution. Update the post title, meta description, H1/H2 structure, and the short URL to include the keyword. Make sure featured images have descriptive alt text and compress images for performance. Add internal links to authority pages and implement structured data for articles or products. Once these are set, submit the page via your sitemap and request indexing in Search Console. You finish by measuring results. Link analytics to WordPress and monitor Search Console for impressions, clicks, and CTR. If you see crawl errors or 404s, create 301 redirects and resubmit the sitemap. Improve load time with caching, a CDN, and minifying assets to lower bounce. Make sure to refresh content periodically and a /b test titles and meta descriptions for better CTR. If rankings drop, check for indexing issues, plugin conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.